Hello and welcome. You are watching Daily Easy English. In this lesson, you will hear slow and easy English. This lesson is made for beginners. Here's a small tip for you. Do not worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen and enjoy the sound of English. Try to listen every day. Little by little, your English will improve. Relax and listen carefully. Let's start. Today, I want to talk about a walk in the neighborhood. Walking is simple. Walking is good for the body and the mind. In the afternoon, I go outside. The weather is nice. The air feels fresh. I walk slowly on the street. I do not hurry. I enjoy each step. I see houses around me. Some houses are small. Some houses are big. I see trees near the road. The trees are green. The leaves move softly in the wind. I hear birds singing. Their sounds are calm and happy. I see people walking by. Some people walk alone. Some people walk with friends or family. I smile and say hello. People smile back at me. I see children playing. They run and laugh. They look full of energy. I walk past a small park. The park is quiet and clean. A few people sit on benches. I stop for a moment. I take a deep breath. I feel calm and relaxed. I continue walking. My body feels light. My mind feels clear. After some time, I feel a little tired. It is time to go home. I walk back slowly. I enjoy the quiet street. When I arrive home, I feel good. This walk makes me feel happy. This is my walk in the neighborhood. It is simple. It is peaceful. It is good for me. Now, let's repeat some easy sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. I enjoy the fresh air. I enjoy the fresh air. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. Well done. Keep learning every day. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. Remember, listening every day helps you improve. If you like this lesson, please subscribe. See you in the next lesson.